That's so good. It's actually probably one of the best things I've eaten since I've been in the Philippines.
So good.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today is a new day here in Manila, and it's around about lunchtime now and we are very hungry, and we've had lots of suggestions from all of you guys to try Mang Inasal. We've recently done some street food tours around in the Philippines and we haven't really had much fast food. We've had quite a few Jollibees, not gonna lie, and McDonald's. Jollibee's definitely up there with our favourite, and you guys have asked us to do a reaction video to Jollibee, but we've already eaten it, so we thought we was going to go to Mang Inasal today and try all of their food. We recently did a Cebu street food tour and we have been in Mang Inasal, but we haven't tried a lot of variety of food. We've literally had 2 different dishes.
I don't think they have loads of choice like Jollibee, but
no. So we're going to be heading there today, and I'm absolutely starving, so I can't wait to go. Are you hungry?
No, I'm really hungry.
Yeah. It's about a 10-minute walk from where we're staying, and we'll see you guys when we get there.
One spicy paa, PM1, one regular chicken, one stick pork barbecue, then one halo-halo, 2 regular Sprite. 352.
Okay. So we've actually never had a Mang Inasal before. There's actually an option where you can get unlimited rice, and there's somebody that literally walks around with a massive rice bucket and will just keep stacking your plate full of rice as many times as you want. We haven't done that because we've got enough food as it is. But Rayna loves rice, so maybe we should do that next time we come here. We've ordered the chicken inasal, we've ordered the pork barbecues, a halo for Rayna, and another spicy dish which I can't remember the name of now. In total it comes to 350 pesos, which is really good, I think, especially for a lunch. We usually spend around about 600 pesos, maybe a bit more sometimes on dinner and lunch. So yeah, we're just sitting down waiting for it to come, and very excited to try it.
It's a payment. Thank you. Regular chicken.
Thank you. Is this the inasal?
that's a spicy one, I think.
Payment, this is regular.
Okay. Salamat.
It's a bit like sinigang, I think, because it's a little bit sour. You try, see what you think. I quite like it.
Yeah, it tastes exactly like sinigang, doesn't it? That's very good. Right, so let's start with the pork barbecue. And it smells really good. But you can see that's a bit of fat there. That's so good. It's a bit cold. But yeah.
Eat it from the side, you know.
I have the homeless person literally standing right in front of the window, trying to get my attention. She's watching your video. That's so good. We have an audience outside, literally standing out the window, watching me, and I feel really uncomfortable. But yeah, that's really good. So this must be the spicy, was it PAA? P-A-A?
I didn't know, maybe, I think so.
Anyway, this is literally so good. It's actually probably one of the best things I've eaten since I've been in the Philippines. Are you eating a chicken? We haven't even said what it's like. This is the chicken in the cell.
It's good. It's really good.
So we swap quick?
Yeah.
So right now we're going to try the chicken in the cell. And I'm just kind of using the spoon as like a knife.
Yeah, like in the UK, obviously we always use a knife and a fork to like cut the food.
Spoons are quite sharp, so it's good to cut through things.
Well, I'm not really getting very. I think it's really just easier to pick it up.
So I'm eating the chicken in the cell now, which. So let me just give you like ratings out of 10. I'd say the pork barbecue, I would have given that maybe like an 8 out of 10.
If it was hot.
If it was hot, I would definitely give that a 9 out of 10.
Should I try this maybe?
Hold on. And then the chicken pa, I think that's how you say it. I could be completely wrong, so please correct me if I'm wrong. I'd give that a 10, I think.
No, you can tell that one is a bit more spicy.
Yeah. I'd give that a 10 though. Like, I think that's perfect spice. The crisp on the chicken skin's amazing. The chicken's so juicy.
Really good.
Yeah, I really like that. Now, my time for the chicken in the south.
I like the spicy one more.
At first, I didn't really get any taste at all. But as the more you eat it, that's so good as well. I wanted to try the sisig, but I've had sisig before, so I wanted to try something that I haven't had before.
And I wonder if that's just good, like is it fresh? Yeah.
I'm not sure. But when I ate the pork sisig before, in Bohol, I'd definitely say that was like the best Filipino food I've had so far. And compared to the pa, I'd say that the sisig tops it a little bit. Very close, but the sisig was just so good. It was so fresh and so crisp and moist and
Bad for you.
so bad for me, but I want it again. Oh, we have to get it again soon. Thoroughly enjoying it today. Can we swap again? Because I want that.
Yeah.
This is easier for you to cut. Yeah, this one's definitely got a bit more spice in it compared to that.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice amount of spice.
Yeah, it's not too spicy, and we're not really that good with spice in this.
Apparently there's a sauce that you're meant to make up, but we don't have any sauces on the table.
We've got soy sauce.
We've got soy sauce, but that's it. So please don't hate for us not having the sauce.
Well, you meant to put the sauce on the chicken.
You know, like when we did the Cebu street food and we had the mixture of sauces, like you're meant to have that. But maybe because of COVID, they haven't got them all out. Because apparently they have them on the tables.
Oh, okay.
So we're just going to finish off these two dishes. Once we're finished, we're going to have the halo halo. So we'll talk to you guys a bit.
We're on to dessert, which is the extra creamy halo, I think.
So whilst I'm finishing off my food, Rayna's finished hers, so she's going to try the halo halo. And
it means mix in English. And
Yeah.
there's ube ice cream, which is the purple ice cream. We have, I'm not sure if they're called mung beans or like some sort of bean.
Yeah.
Then there's like jelly type stuff. We've got something that looks like banana. Lots of jelly. Another type of like yellow bean. And there was like some purple paste, which I think is ube paste. So we're just mixing it up now.
I want to know what you guys think. Do you prefer Mang Inasal to Jollibee?
Yeah,
Like, what's your favourite fast food?
chain?
Let us know in the comments, because mine was Jollibee when I come here, but obviously we haven't had this before. And I feel like this is overtaking Jollibee for me.
Well, for me, I have more choices. Obviously, I could eat that, but I prefer the variety.
Yeah, I mean, they're different styles of food, I guess, in some ways, but I feel like this is more fresh, I guess, in some ways.
Right.
It doesn't feel so fast food, it feels like you're eating a proper meal.
Yeah. She's mixed up now. Hallow's mixed up now. So I'm going to try it. It's always really cold, so that we end up putting it in face because our teeth hurt.
I'm not sure how I'm meant to clean my hands.
I thought there was a napkin. Lick them. That's how you clean your hands. So good. It's quite sweet, really cold. Tastes like a bit like coconut, ube, kind of like condensed milk flavour. Let's get some of the jelly. Oh look. Loads of that red jelly stuff. Let's try it with the red jelly stuff. Oh, cool. Quite chewy. I love chewy stuff. Slimy jelly. That's so good for like on a hot day though. I'm not sure about the beans in it. Kind of a weird addition to a dessert.
Yeah, that's really coconutty. Yeah. But like a nice, not like too coconutty. I don't really like coconut flavoured things, but I feel like ever since I've come to the Philippines, I've started to like coconut things.
Yeah. I think, yeah. Like
when we went to Chinatown, we had like coconut rice cakes, and I really like them, which I never would have before. Look, that's just pure ice.
Ice, it's so cool.
I feel like I definitely want to come back. I want to try some more stuff. So
I have a halibut.
we had that.
The noodles, we had that on our street food.
Yeah. So if you guys would like us to come back and try some more stuff, let us know, because
Yeah, you can pick
I'd be happy
what
to
we
do it.
order.
Yeah, you tell us what to order. So if we do another video, I want the top comments, the ones with the most likes, of what to
fast
order.
food chain and what to order
Yeah.
from there.
What fast food chain we should go to here in the Philippines, and what we should order from there, and we'll pick the most liked one and create a video from your suggestions. I've got some things planned in the pipeline, and we're actually going to be heading somewhere quite cooler sooner rather than later. So if you think you know where we're going, we'd like you to
Guess
comment,
down below.
have a guess, see what you think. But
Hint, hint.
yeah, there's a hint right in front of your eyes. Why did you do that? You enjoying your food?
Very cold.
We managed to get back just in time because it literally just started raining, like quite bad. Yeah, and we've been in Manila for about a week and we haven't seen it rain once since we've been here.
It was roast.
It was really hot and sunny earlier, like the sun was beaming down on us.
It's like England,
but-
really.
Yeah, a bit like England. But we are gonna end this vlog here. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video and enjoyed us trying some Mang Inasal. As we said before, we really enjoyed it and it's definitely something that we would do again. But please comment what you would like us to try next, what fast food restaurant you'd like us to go to, and what we should order, and we will make sure to put that in one of our upcoming videos. But we hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.